This is How He Loves in the key of C, just a really simple way to play this. Make sure to click on the description of the video below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. Okay, so we have some simple chords. We have C, F, G, and then we have an A minor and a D minor. So those 5 chords. Let's go through those quickly. We have C, E, G, and that's our C chord. Okay, move up 1 note, and that's D, F, A. That's D minor. Okay, move up to this position right here, and that is the F chord. F, A, C. Okay, move up 1 note, and you're in the G position. G, B, D. And move up 1 more note, and you're in the A minor position. A, C, E. Okay? All right, left hand is going to be playing single notes. So let's put pinky on C, line up 5 fingers, and then you don't have to move the hand the whole song. I should say you just open for 1 note. But here's a C chord with C in the bass. So we're just going to be playing single notes down there. D minor to D in the bass. F to F. G. And then when we play the A minor, you just move this thumb open. Okay? Don't have to move your hand all over the keyboard. Just open your thumb to play that. All right, so this is 4/4 times signature. So let's play a rhythm I call together, right, together, right, or 1-to-2 ratio. Okay? Together, right, together, right. So you can go on the C position. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. You can practice that on any of the chords. Just get your hand used to playing that rhythm. Okay? All right, so I'm going to go over through verse 1. Since we have some repetition, we have verse 1 and 2 that look to be really similar. There's a few differences, but if you notice patterns in music, it helps simplify it too. So let's go through verse 1. He is jealous for me. Okay, we're going to move to the A minor. Love's like a hurricane, I am a tree. G, bending beneath the weight of his wind. And F chord, mercy. Move to the C. When all of a sudden, and I am unaware of these, F chord, afflictions eclipsed by glory. And I, G chord, realize just how beautiful you are and how, F chord, great your affections are for me. Pretty simple, right? Let's look at that pre-chorus. And oh, and how he loves us, D minor, so, and oh, how he, G chord, loves us, and how he loves us, F chord, so, and oh, and how he loves us, F, and oh, how he loves us, and how he loves us, F, so, okay, this is the chorus. He loves us, and oh, how he loves us, and oh, how he loves us, and oh, how he loves. Yeah, he loves us, and oh, how he loves us, and oh, how he loves us, and oh, how he loves. All right, so let's play it beginning to end, and I think you're going to find how beautiful it is, how simple it is. Go back to the beginning if you need a little help. I think you're going to do just fine with this. All right, here we go. And he is jealous for me, and love's like a hurricane, I am a tree, bending beneath the weight of his wind and mercy. When ocean, we're all sinking. So heaven meets earth like an unforeseen kiss, and my heart turns violently inside of my chest. And I don't have time to maintain these regrets when I think about